Hello, welcome to my virtual open house, or you could call it a Tanya tour. So as we enter into the front door, you'll see that all the floors have been redone and the paint job is brand new. It also has a new kitchen. It has been recently staged by a lovely designer. Most of this furniture will not stay with the house, but it is up for discussion. This home is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, and it is currently for sale for $215,000, or it is now available for an annual rental of $1,500 a month. So this is your guest bathroom. Beautiful dining room. And now we're going to go into the remodeled kitchen. Just super cute. Granite counters. We'll take a peek into the 1-car garage real quick. And the laundry area is right there. Okay, back to the kitchen. A little eating area. This is the family room. Very nice. It's got a really large backyard. It's located in River Isles, which is an over 55 community, golf course community. It's located in Bradenton. Okay, so now we're going to go into the master. Very pretty. And it has a decent sized closet. This is the other bathroom. Very nice. And then this is the guest room. Very nice. So thank you for joining me for my virtual open house. If you'd like to see it, call your realtor or call me and I will make sure you can get your own private showing. Have a lovely day.